Hello, meet again in our channel. I want to explain about CTS, CNC training system. Okay, now I want to explain about what the CNC is. CNC, yeah? CNC is the computer, numerical control. So you can see this. So the philosophy is that we want to control the movement of the table using program. You understand? So I want to explain about what G code is and what the thing that must be controlled with. Okay? First, I want to explain about the axis, right? In the milling, you know about the cutting tool, the cutting tool, and the piece. So the axis in the milling, when the tool moves to the x direction, we call this x plus. Yeah? The tool go to the right, then we call that is the move in the x direction. Sometimes the construction of the machine, the table is moved, so the cutter moves to the right, same with the table move to the left. Okay, you understand? So if the cutter go to the x minus, that is the control must be direct with x number blah blah blah. Okay, we go to the how is if the tool go to the front, Y plus, and when the tool go to the this is the front. If the tool go to the front, that is Y minus, and when the tool or the cutter go backward, that is the Y plus. And then if the cutter go to the Z minus and go to the down, means that is the Z minus. Okay, the opposite direction is Z plus. Okay. That is the for the milling. How about turning? Okay. Let's continue. I want to explain about the axis in the turning. Look this. Same with the milling. If the two go to the left, that is Z minus. Okay? I think not same with milling. Okay, let's continue. If the two go back or retract, that is Z plus. Okay? Z plus. If the two go to the center, that is X minus. Okay? If the two go back, that is X plus. Okay? So that is the but sometimes in the workshop the tool is not in this location. Sometimes in this location. Okay. So what the direction of the tool? Okay, let's be continue. If the tool go to the left, that is Z minus, and if the tool retraction means Z plus. Okay. If the tool go to the center, X minus. Okay. If the tool go back or retraction, X plus. Okay, understand? Let's continue. Okay, let's continue. Now I explain about the G code. Yeah, the common G code. That is the G0. Yeah. The meaning of G0 is rapid yeah. So you imagine that if we have workpiece and we have two, if we have a workpiece like this and we have the tool, then we no need to move slowly when approach the workpiece. So to make more effective or efficient, the first movement can with fast movement. Okay, that is the then G01. The meaning of G01 is linear interpolation. Okay. So what is the use of G00 and G01? G00 is for the rapid movement, and G01 is to cut the workpiece. Okay, let's continue. G02 is reduce interpolation clockwise. And then G03, same with before, but counter clockwise. So if you want to cut according clockwise, you use G02, and counterclockwise is G03. Okay, let's see. I want to explain about G40, G41, and G42. What is it? G40 is cancel radius interpolation. So if you want to graphir the workpiece using this G code, yeah? So this is cancel radius interpolation. Sorry. Cancel radius interpolation. So use this if you want to use cutter like this, right? To move letter. Okay, cutter like this using G40. If you use G41, means the cutter is like this. Okay. By the way, not cancel. G41 is reduce interpolation to reduce interpolation to the left. Okay. How to use the code? For example, the cutter must be like this. The cutter must be like this. But if we see from the top, so the cutter must be like this. And the contour, for example, like this. For example, any contour. G41, the first location in here, and then go to this location, go this, and then after that go to this location. So the useful of this code to tell the machine that the cutter has some radius that must be offset. Must be offset to the left. How about G42? G42 is reduce interpolation to right. To the right. To the right. So the tracing must be like this. This is opposite. Okay. Understand? Okay. I want to explain about another G-code. Another G-code is G55, 44. G54, that is book offset. One. So, like this. If you have more than, for example, if you have two workpieces, and for example, this is the table of the workpiece. You need, if you want to cut more than one workpiece, then the first workpiece must be registered to the first offset G54, and the second workpiece is G55. Okay. To test the machine, that is, we have more than one workpiece using this G-code. So G54 first for the first workpiece, and G55 for second workpiece, etc. until G59. So we have six offset. So in the machine can plan or can process 6 workpieces. How about if we want more than 6? So we can use G507 and so on. Not 507, 507, and so on. Okay, but actually 6 workpiece is enough, I think. In our lesson, only use one workpiece. Okay, so actually, if you understand about G54, enough. Let's see, continue. About G. G70 is the ins measurement or ins unit. If you want to use ins in your work using this G70. If you want use millimeter, then you need G71. G71 to make the machine understand about millimeter. Okay. I forget another exercise. Another code. That is G17. G17 is XY plane. XY plane, and then the G15 XZ plane, YZ plan. Okay, this plan. Okay, and then commonly when the G code is near to each other, yeah, near number, that is one group. So the rule is you cannot place the G code with the same group in the one line. For example, like this. Yeah, if you write G70, G90, it's wrong. Yeah. Cannot use the same group in one line, in the same line. Yeah, you can use like this. G70, G0, and G40, and G0, for example, and so on. You can write like this. Okay, so G100. This is correct. Okay. The next G96. Yeah, this is the meaning is constant cutting speed. G60, G96 is constant cutting speed. So this is for the turning. The turning RPM is not constant, but the cutting speed must be constant because the diameter is change each time the diameter is changed. G97 is constant RPM. G97 is constant RPM. Maybe we need this for turning. Yeah, limits. There is limit speed. Limits for turning. Because if we use constant cutting speed, means the RPM is change each time. But when the diameter is 0, if we don't use limit speed, then the RPM is too big. Okay. Next in the program, we discuss again about this. Now the G code, I think when in the programming, I explain again about another G code. Yeah. Now we study about M code. Yeah. For example, M03. Yeah. M03 means spindle. Right. the spindle turn to right direction, and 3. Yeah. And 0, 4, spindle right. Spindle go to the left. And 0, 5, spindle stop. Spindle stop. And 30, spindle. No, spindle. Sorry. Yeah. Program. And program is finished. And 30. Oh, I forgot another M08 colon on M08 colon on M09 colon off. Okay. Remember, in the M code, there are no grouping, so you cannot write like this. Okay. And 03 and 04. Blah blah blah. For example, S is 1000. This is wrong. Go right but left. Go to the right but if you force using this, then the M03 cancelled by 04. So this is go to the left direction. Yeah. This is M03 cancelled by M04. Okay. Let's see, continue. Now I want to explain about how to make the code for cutting any shape. For example, if I want to cut this piece, yeah, and the contour is like this. I want to give radius in here, and the center in here, and the internal radius, and the shape in so the dimension, yeah? The dimension is the depth is 5, the center 5 times 45 degrees, the radius is 5, and this radius, for example, 6. The shape like this. think good if we go to the software. Yeah. Okay, everybody, we continue. To open the software, you need to click the Sinotrack and wait. You see the panel like this. In this time, if you want to delete the machine, you can click and right click and delete. Okay, and so on. If you want to make new machine, use this template. Yeah, and then if you want to start with milling, try this demo milling machine. If you want to give or renaming, give your name here. Yeah, demo machine bookie create. Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah. To start the machine, choose this. And wait. Okay, yeah, the machine is ready. Okay. Okay, yeah, let's continue. Start with turn this 100% and also this 100 and hit hit start and spindle start, and then select this program manager, pull down this, select this new directory. What the directory? For example, my job. Okay, and you can select G code and exercise 1, for example, X1. Okay. In here, you can start with T. Oh, no. Select 2. For example, I want to use cutter 10. Okay. Follows M6. M6 means change the 2. Yeah. M6 or M06 or M06, same meaning. After this, write G554, G90, and then enter. Select various, select blank. I want the 0 in the center, so select block center, and the value of book is 50, 50. And the depth, absolute, minus 50. Enter. Okay. Save. I don't want this. You can delete the space. After this, yeah, enter. Give the RPM as speed 2000. M3. M3 means the to, or the spindle go to the right direction. Okay, enter. After that, G0 go to the safe location, G100, for example. Okay, and then enter. Go to the safe location, for example, X minus 35 and Y minus 35. Why minus 35? Because the length of the workpiece is 50, the half of that 25, plus the cutter 10. So 25 plus 10 minus 35. Okay, we continue. After that, G5. Without G mean the previous G is still active. Okay, G1 or G01, same meaning. G minus 5. Okay, and then enter. Oh, I forget. F200. Enter. This means in 1 minute the table move 200 millimeter, and in 1 minute there are 2000 rotation. So each time to move 1 rotation, the table move 2000 divide 200 divide 2000, so 0.1. And the cutter has 4 cutting edge. So 1 cutting edge cut 0.025. Okay, let's we continue. After that, G41 go to the X minus 20. Okay, after that go to the Y, 20, but in the corner has reduced R&D equal 5. Okay, and then go to the X 20. Okay, but in the corner has sample CSR equal 5. Okay, after that go to the Y minus 19. After that G3 X 19 Y minus 20 and CR equal 6. There are radius of 6 in the corner, but concave. G1 go to the X minus 35. After that G40 go to the Y minus 35. After that G0 go to the Z100, and then after that M30. M30 means end of the program. Enter. The program is ready. Let's we simulate. Hit the simulation and wait. Like this. You see? Oh, we have some What this? The remaining stock. Okay, no problem. But what this? I think I did mistake in here. Yeah? The reduce is not good. Let me check why like that from beginning. Yeah? Okay, this. Okay, 20 reduce 5. 20 chamfer 5. Okay, already. Oh, this yeah. Oh, not. This is my fault. Yeah? Not 19, but 14. Yeah? 14. After that, go to the 14. Yeah, 14. Okay, just like that. Let me see the simulation. Yeah, you look this. Yeah. If you want to give the toolpath or the trace, you can select this and show toolpath. This is the toolpath. If you want to see from side, you can use 3D view. Yeah. What this? No problem. Next time we resolve that. Okay. 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 Let's continue. Now, you remember the shape, yeah, of the fish. I want to make some I want to make some addition. For example, this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is actually this. Yeah. You can use CR equal 6. Yeah. Or you can use this. Yeah. With I. Yeah. I is the position of the center, yeah, center of radius from the start point. Yeah. This time, yeah, the position of the center below the start point, so 0. Yeah, yeah, same location in the x direction, and the j, yeah, the start point and the center from start point is below, so -6. Okay. Yeah, this so means this is you free using I and J or CR. Yeah? If you using CR, you must write CR equal 6 or E0 J -6. Now you look. Okay, you see, yeah, the center of rotation, the center of the circle below the start point 6. Yeah. Okay. I want to explain you about if you wrong. This is actually more difficult. If you wrong in the definition, the correct one is J -6. If you delete the minus, look for the simulation. Yeah, error. Yeah, you see this error of the circle. But if the program too long, then you cannot or difficult to find the mistake. I give I give you how to search the mistake using this. Yeah, edit. Yeah, using this and renumbering. You can use 10, 10, no problem. Yeah, okay. Start from 10 and after that increment 10. So we have n, yeah, in front of the word. Okay, and simulation again. Now we have alarm and we have number, yeah, and 130. You check 130. Oh, this I did mistake here. The correct is with minus 6. Okay, simulation again. Okay, you see this? Okay, I will tell you another style of E and G. Yeah, you can use this. Yeah, J. Yeah, equal absolute coordinate. Open parenthesis. The coordinate of J, yeah, is minus 20. Close parenthesis, yeah, and look for simulation. I hope work. Okay, yeah, still, yeah. So you free. You can use CR or E increment or E absolute coordinate like this. Okay. Okay. This is actually this program exercise 1. I want to show you, yeah, make the same program. Oh, not same. I think more better because you see this program cut 5 millimeter at once. I want to cut only 1 millimeter 5 times. Yeah, okay, 5 times 1 millimeter. So, but the shape still same with this. Yeah, so I need for this only the, yeah, you can mark this, yeah, select this, mark from this until this. Oh no, until this. No, yeah, yeah, yeah. Copy and program manager and make new program. New, yeah, exercise X2. Okay. In here you can paste. Okay, and you can continue with another style. Yeah, I want to show you using this. Yeah, contour milling. Yeah, and contour. Yeah, and contour call. Yeah, contour name is any number, yeah, any name, contour. Okay, enter first, enter, and then accept. Okay, after that, don't forget back. Pad milling. Yeah, pad milling. Check the parameter, the feeding 200, roughing, yeah, forward. You see this forward, and this is the location. Okay, no problem. Next time we check. Yeah, this is start from 0 and increment minus 5. Yeah, If you use absolute, you must give the sign minus in front. Okay. If increment, no need to give the. Oh no. Oh, okay. I think. Okay. For this time, you use absolute first, yeah? Because I still confused about this. Yeah. Okay, yeah, minus 5. Next time you try with your way, try to increment. Yeah. Now absolute first. Yeah, this is maximum cut 2 millimeter. Allowance in the Z. Allowance in the, I think Z is no need to give allowance, so 0. Only XY, yeah. 0.5, okay, no problem. I think 0.2, enough. 0.2. This is approach, strike. Give the L1, same with your cutter, 10. This is feeding when go down, 100. Okay, this is retraction, retract. Next time you try another, yeah, like this, but this time circle. Yeah, strike. Yeah. The L2 same with your cutter, 10, and retraction to retract plane. Okay, accept. Yeah, this is roughing, and you need to copy and paste and edit the last space with finishing. Yeah, maximum cut 5. Okay, another is no need to change, accept. Okay, after this, enter M30, enter again. In here, you select contour, and new contour, give the name same with previous you did. Contour, exactly same with the previous name. Yeah, this is start the 420, yeah. X20, Y minus 20. Yeah. Okay, accept. Yeah, this. And then go to the yeah, and 20, and the radius is 5. Okay, accept like this, and go to the right, 20, but let's chamfer 5. Yeah. Okay, accept. Yeah, you see there, and use this. Go to the minus 14. Okay, accept. Yeah, you see this. After that, this. Yeah, the radius 6, and the X 14, Y minus 20. Okay, this is parameter. Oh, this is the wrong dialog. You select this. Yeah, this is met with our need. Accept. Dialog accept. And accept again. For the last movement, you can use this. Yeah? Close contour. Okay, accept. Yeah, ready. The program is ready. And simulation. You see this? Okay. Okay, yeah. Finish. Now I show you how to cut the inside area, not outside. Yeah? But I show you how to copy to another program. In here, right click, not right click, copy and paste, and give the number exercise 3. Okay. We have exercise 3 and open. Okay, this is actually same with the previous, but I want to edit this. You can cut, and in here using this. Oh no, using this contour milling and pocket. Give the parameter. This is just the name, rough, for example. Rough parameter. Heading 200. The depth. This is increment. Try before we use minus when absolute, but now increment 5. Overlap. This is new for you. Overlap. Actually, you can use if you use increment 5. But if you use percent, you can use 50%. This is actually same meaning. 50% of cutter. The cutter is 10, so 50% is 5. If you use increment 5, same meaning. Up to you. You can use percent or increment. This is a maximum cut. Allowance in the XY. Allowance in the Z 0. Okay. Starting point. Automatic. This is new for you. Use helical. You see this? And then, okay, accept. This is actually roughing, and you need to copy, and you need to paste and edit the last paste by 3 diamond wall. Depth 5, maximum cut 5. This is not allowance. This is the position when downward, go downward. 0.1 from the wall. Okay. Accept. And simulation. Okay. Now we try another style. Pocketing, but outside. What the useful? We go back to the program number 2. Open. Simulation. Actually, if you can zoom in, zoom out by roll your mouse. In the middle mouse you click, you can turn the workpiece. Middle mouse you click again, you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, if you use pocketing but outside the contour, you can remove this, this wall, this island. Let's continue. How to pocketing but outside the contour. Let's continue. This. The last copy and paste. Give the number is exercise 4. Enter. Open the exercise 4. This is previous pocketing. Now I need, if after this, enter. I need another contour. Yeah. Contour again. New contour. The name of contour is blank. Yeah. Yeah, blank. Enter. You draw the raw material. Yeah. 25. Yeah. Yeah, 25. Let's start from 25. Our workpiece is 50 times 50. Yeah. So the half is 25. Accept. Yeah, go up 25 without radius. Yeah. And go right 25 and go down 25. But I have trouble here. Oh yeah, I think I did mistake. I think this wrong. Delete. Yeah. 25. Yeah. After this, go down. Yeah, minus 25. Accept. Why cannot? I don't know. Accept. Oh yeah, can maybe okay. Yeah. And the last session is you can use close contour. Yeah. We have the blank material 50 times 50. Accept. Yeah. This pocket. Yeah. This pocket is cut and cut. Yeah. Chain with back spigot. Yeah. Spigot. If the name of program is what? Yeah, and check the parameter. The F is 200. Yeah, the depth 5. Allowance is not allowance. Yeah. Okay, I think 50% is good. Yeah. The maximum cut to allowance XY 0.1. Allowance in the Z0. Okay, like this. Accept, and then copy and paste. Edit using this arrow. Yeah. Finish. Okay, feeding to 100. Maximum cut 5. Okay, and accept. Okay, let's look for the simulation. Oh, I did mistake again. Oh, sorry. Stop it. Yeah, the step must be blank first. After that, contour. Let's see the simulation. You look. Okay. Okay, actually, this is the most difficult programming in the milling. Another style you can try is very easy. Yeah? So many you can try. Yeah, drilling so many, but it's not difficult and not too difficult. Easy. Yeah? You can try by yourself. Now I want to change to the another style, yeah, of programming. Yeah? I mean like this. Yeah. the simulation still same with before, but I want to reduce the number of the line. Yeah, like this. Yeah, I want to reduce. Yeah, the reduce. You see this 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So many. I want to compress or like something like that. Yeah. Okay. I want to make programming like this, but different way. Yeah. Let's program. Yeah. In here, exercise 5. Yeah. New. Try this soft meal. Yeah. Soft meal. Give the name. Exercise 5. Okay. In the soft meal, you need to define the cookies, talk center, and this 50, and this 50 as well, and the depth absolute minus 50. Okay. Okay. Another optimize is retract to retract plan. Yeah. Okay. Set. In here, you use contour milling. Yeah. New contour. Yeah, like before. Yeah. You write blank. Yeah, blank. Yeah. Minus 25. Minus 25. And then accept. Go up 25. Accept. Go right 25. Accept. Go down minus 25. Accept. In the last stage, close contour. Okay. Accept. Okay. After this, new contour again. Contour. Enter. Yeah, like before. Yeah. Minus 20. Minus 20. Okay, accept. Go up to 2020, but has reduced 5. Yeah, go right to 20, but has tempered 5. And go down to minus 14. Yeah, okay. And then, yeah, internal reduce 6. The X is minus 14. Y is minus 20. Wow, reject. I don't know why. Cancel, yeah. I think I did mistake. Yes, okay, already correct. Yeah, try again. Reduce 6 to the 14. Yeah, minus 20. Oh, yeah, dialog select. Yeah, accept. Accept. And the last session is close contour and accept. Yeah. And then this select spigot. Yeah, the tool, select tool to 10. Yeah, this is speeding 200 RPM to 1000. Roughing. Yeah, roughing. the depth 5, ini 40%, maximum cut to 11 xy 4.1, 11 in the C 0, okay, and then back to the retract plane, accept. Yeah, you need to copy and you need to paste. Edit the last space with the finishing wall. Yeah, maximum cut 5. Okay, okay, just like that. If you want to can give feeding 100. Accept. Simulation. You see this? The line only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 lines. Simulation. You see, yeah, same, yeah, exactly same with previous. Okay, yeah. Actually, until this stage, we did only finishing, not execute. In the real machine, you need to execute this, yeah, and cycle start. Yeah, you see, right? The value is changed. Yeah, and you see the basic block. This is the G code. Yeah, actually, yeah, we didn't make G code, but actually G code automatically generated by the system. Okay. And then I want to process the shape like this. Shape like this, and then good if I go to the socket. Try another process, that is turning. Yeah. Okay. Plus this all panel. Remember the previous project, yeah? In the whiteboard, 30. Okay. Okay, yeah. Start again. Yeah. Now make use template again. Yeah. And demo rate. Give your name. Okay. And create. Yeah, this is late. Okay. Open using starting. Okay. You can minimize or you can drag. Oh. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, same with turning, same with milling. You need to increase your feeding yeah, 100%, and spindle start and feed start. Yeah, and yeah, we make new folder like before. Yeah? Job my job. Yeah. Okay, and start from exercise 1. Yeah, G code first. Yeah, G code first. Yeah? Same with. Yeah, same with the milling. Select tool first. Yeah? For example, using this finishing T35. Okay. In the G code, you must give M6. Yeah? Change the two, and then after this G54 and G90. Enter and various. Yeah? Give the blank. Yeah? Blank cylinder. Diameter F50. This our target only 30, so this is bigger than our target, so no need to change. Set. Okay, we don't need this. After this, yeah, G96. Yeah, yeah, cutting speed constant. S 100 mean the cutting speed is 100, and the M3. But I think before this, good if you give limitation. Yeah, limitation of your speed. Yeah, limit speed is 3000. Yeah. Okay. Okay. After this, go to the save location. Yeah. X52 and the Z2. Yeah. In here. Okay. Actually, in the turning, impossible if you cut at once. Yeah. So forget it about G code. Because oh, but this is only simulation, yeah, right? Okay, no problem. G1, yeah. Go to the X, yeah. 30, yeah. But we have chamfer 3 millimeter, yes. 30, chamfer 3. So 30 minus 24, yeah, 24. But we start from 2, yeah. 24 minus 4 is 22. Yeah, G, oh no. Okay. Yeah. The feeding, yeah, feeding 0.2 per rotation. In the turning, feeding is millimeter per rotation. Different with milling. Milling is millimeter per minute. Yeah, per minute. Okay. After this, go to the X, yeah, 30, but the Z minus 3. And this is chamfer. Eh? After this, go to the minus Z minus 30, but has radius R and D, yeah, equal 5. Yeah? Okay, equal 5. Radius 5. After this, go to the X52 again. Okay, finish. G0, X100, G50, retraction, yeah. M30. Enter. The program finish. Simulation. Yeah, but don't do this at home. Yeah, dangerous. Yeah, one cut, finish. Yeah. Finish one cut. Okay. Okay, as usual, I want to copy, paste, exercise 2. Exercise 2. Okay. Edit the exercise 2. Now I want to cut only 2 millimeter. How this? Okay. With BBB semicolon. And this. This. AAA. Okay. Okay, ya. AAA double point, BBB double point. Okay. In here, M30. Okay. And then, as but you need to place in the G0, X 52 and Z2. Okay, like this. And then in here you need to contour turning, contour call, use label AAA, without double point, BBB, enter, accept, rough, safety clearance 1 millimeter, okay, roughing 0.2, roughing. In turning you can use roughing and finishing at one. Finishing using 0.1, roughing using feeding 0.2, longitudinal and sign. And this is maximum cut, allowance. And then this is dwell time 0, continuous cutting. This is allowance 1 millimeter. This is 0.1, relief cut. Okay, accept. Okay, simulation. You see it. Okay, I think. Okay, let's continue. Edit. Now I want to make same shape, but another way. You remember the format, like this. Try this. Program Manager, new, copy, paste, exercise 3. Okay, open. And now you can. Oh, I forget this. Roughing and finishing. So, the name is, I think, complete program. Complete program, because roughing and finishing together. Okay. Now delete this, cut, and so this, edit. Not using label but contour name. The contour is contour. Enter. Accept. Okay. Below M30. After M30, select contour turning, contour, and new contour, right contour. Enter. Okay. Start from 30 and hash chamfer 3. Okay. Go left to -30. And then hash radius 5. Okay, accept. Go up to 52. And accept. Chamfer reduce. Accept. Like this. Now you see nearly same with our programming, but this is actually automatically generated by the cycle. Simulation. You look. Okay. Now I want to reduce the number of line. You see, so many, more than 6. Compare with this. Program manager. New. Subturn. Exercise 4. Enter. You answer the question. Diameter 50. Leave this, no need. Actually, in the real machine, good if you use machine. And teach position. This is teach position for changing the tool. So any tool, so many different tools, change in the same location. This. If you use this work, different position if the length different, so not good. Good machine. Cut. Okay, accept. And contour turning. New contour. Okay, enter. Start from 30 and hash chamfer 3. Okay, accept. And then go left to -30 and hash radius 5. Accept. Go up to 52. Accept. Like this. Accept. After this, stop removal. Roughing finishing. Roughing 0.2. Finishing 0.1. Cutting speed 150 and allowance this allowance 1 millimeter, relief cut 0.1. Okay, accept. Okay, like this, only 1, 2, 3, 4. Simulation. Oh, why not? Oh, no tool. I forget the tool. The tool is finish tool. Okay, the tool is already done. Accept. Simulation. Okay. Actually, this is Actually, only simulation. If you want to cut in the machine, you need to execute and then cycle start. If you want to see the G code like this. Okay, finish. This is location. Okay. Okay, just like that. Okay. Go back to the job program. Yeah, this is our program. Actually, this is the turning no speaker, yeah, right? If you want to study about another feature like grooving, you just try this. Yeah? I want to make groove, yeah? But to make realistic, no. I want to remove the radius, yeah, in here. The radius is 0. Yeah, the radius is 0. So I can give the undercut, yeah, accept. Yeah. After this, I want to use turning. I want to use groove, yeah, and select the tool for grooving. This, yeah. A mean external, E internal. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And this is the feeding 0. This is a cutting speed. I think good if you use 50 or 100. 100. This is start, yeah, 30, and this minus, yeah, minus 25. For example, the B1 5, the depth, for example 3, yeah, the depth of the group, maximum cut 2, L1 before finishing 0.2, number of groove 1. Accept. Yeah. You look the simulation like this. You look. Yeah, yeah, groove. Now I want to show how to make groove. No, trading. Yeah, trade. Yeah, but before execute the trade, we check the trade. Oh, yeah. Yeah, and the width of the tree. Okay, this is, I think, our trade is big, so insert length good if you change to 15. Yeah, because our trade is big enough. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so to make good shape, yeah, big trade using big tool or big tip. Okay, program manager again. Program in here, turning, use trade. Yeah, the tool is select the tool. Trading tool. Okay, the table isometric and the M30. Yeah, big trade. The RPM, you can use RPM, no problem, but don't too big, 200 RPM. Roughing and finishing, linear, external thread, start from 30. The length of thread, I think only 27, maybe, yeah, 25, plus 2 millimeter. This is 1 millimeter before. Can use 2, and this is LR1, yeah. Run out. This is run in, run out. This is the depth, 2 millimeter. This is the angle 15. This is, don't use linear. Linear is not good. Yeah, use this digressive. Yeah, digressive. This is first cut. This is the allowance, finishing allowance. No cut. No cut is 2, yeah, for finishing. 2 times for finishing. And allowance, no, retraction 2 millimeter. Multiple, no. Yeah, if you use yes, means double gang or double thread. Yeah. This is offset 0. Yeah, start from 0. The group start from 0. Accept. Yeah. Look for the simulation. Okay, like this. Yeah. Threading. We use the big tip because the thread is big. If you not edit the length of the tip, then the shape is not good. Yeah. 3D like this. If you want to rotate, like this. If you want to cut, yeah, cut. Yeah, like this. This is the shape. Cut, yeah. Okay, so on. You can try. I think our my simulation or my lesson until this lesson. Okay. Goodbye, everybody.